Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes on Monopoly Go. All right, let's begin. If you bought the Monopoly Go board game, you can redeem your reward codes. The code is inside the box and can be redeemed on the official website. First, open your web browser and search for Monopoly Go. Click on the first link to visit the official website, monopolygo.com. Once on the site, go to the top right corner and log in with Facebook. This ensures your Monopoly Go account is linked. Next, navigate to the Reward Codes section. Enter the code from your board game box in the designated field. After entering the code, confirm the submission. Your rewards will be credited to your Monopoly Go account. Make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook account linked to Monopoly Go. If you encounter any issues, check for typos in the code or ensure the code has not expired. So that's basically how you can redeem codes on Monopoly Go. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.